We got a NIBCO 90 faucet here. I don't see any videos on YouTube that shows you how to do this. I'm sure it's straightforward. Looks like it's a 5/16 hex set here. We got the water and the power shut off to the well. And I'm going to see if I can get the parts for it, because from what I read, they don't sell no more. Oh, that come off nice. They don't sell no more parts for this 90. This thing is 25 years old, this faucet. They quit making the parts in 2007. Someone said, keep it up like that so the screw stays. And then I need the crescent wrench. There, Johnny. Johnny the man. Good, it fits. Just loosen it up. And sometimes this thing sticks, and it ain't no good. I hope to God it ain't sticking, that the water is off, and depressurize the tank. I guess it will find out soon enough. I'll be blasted. This hasn't, I never took this apart. I never worked on these before. Keep that, that's the ceramic seal. Yeah. Now I need the handle again, Johnny. And this might be one of these ones I gotta pick apart. Here we go. Now you just gotta put the handle on it once I get it keyed, and you unscrew it. We just keep unscrewing it. There we go, it's done. Can you focus? Anyhow, you take the screw off and that washer comes off. But this is one of these ones that actually push inside like that with the spring. You usually buy the whole kit. It goes in like that, and then this goes inside and pushes in like that. See?
I go way up there for the camera.
Yeah, okay, I guess. It's one of these ones that just push in. Is it still in there, Johnny? I'm gonna pull it off.
Yeah.
Okay. There, see, it just pulls off. And then here's the spring. That's all we need to replace. That's it. And now we got to go to the frickin' hardware store and get it. And here's that outside packing thing. When I get done, I'll grease this and grease that, but I'll show you later. This is what we have to replace right here. That rubber thing. And I know I don't have an O-ring like that. That thing is as hard as a frickin' rock. And it is hard as a frickin' rock. And the rubber part looks like an O-ring. Looks like an O-ring. Well, here we are again about 2-3 weeks later. We finally got the parts for this. I swear I think got it on Amazon. I'll leave you a link to the parts, but I'll show you what it is. I'm hoping it's the right parts. It's the only one they got for it because they don't make parts for this faucet anymore. Here you are. $6.09 free shipping from Amazon. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not focused in. How's that? Am I pretty good? Can't get much closer than that.
Yeah, that
anyhow, I'll get a better picture later. So now we get to do this again. Thank you. There we go. Hey, it looks the same. Here's what the old one looks like if I get it to focus in. It's just worn out. Give me the new one. See, they look the same. Same brass things. There you go. Just pushes in, holds in by itself. So I'm lubricating everything here. There you go, there you go. See? That's what it looks like. And we'll see. And now I'm going to put it in. Now where's that handle at, Linda? Now I use the handle to draw it in. I'll bring it back. I'll get that. You got that nut? I'm going to try to screw it a little further here. See if it pushes that little thing down. Okay, that's it. No. See, to get that thing, and we just got a 5/8 inch socket. Just use to push it, and it pushes it in like a charm. There you go. Now where's the nut? Now I need a big crescent.
Right there in your hand.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. It's the crescent was in my hand. You sure I should be doing these jobs when I don't even know what tool is in my hand? You know, it's a beautiful day today. It's in the I would say it's in the lower 80s.
I'll try off something drawn.
Yeah. Okay, now handle. Oh, good, you got everything in there. Good. Okay. What was that, John? Bee?
No, ladybugs.
We got a bee nest right above us here, and we're fighting that.
They're mostly ladybugs, actually.
There's two in the back that are bigger than that one.
Now, Johnny, I don't know if these O-rings or this thing is because it ain't. It's just little different. Like people say they just use the rubber parts. They didn't use the whole thing. I'm using the whole thing. So you go ahead and turn the water back on. Let's see how she works. Did you grab that one? So far, so good. Gotta wait till it drips down. It takes a while to drip down. The trick is that the drip quits. Here's the rag.